So today we're going to be talking about linear equations. Linear equations. Linear equation. What is a linear equation? What's a linear equation? Now, a linear equation is a mathematical statement. It's a mathematical statement. We make statements in mathematics, yes, and we call them mathematical statements. A mathematical statement is a statement that is made in mathematics. There are steps in mathematics that you use to solve questions. They are called statements, mathematical statements. So after you're done with one step, it's a mathematical statement. You move to the next step, it's another mathematical statement. So concerning linear equation now, a linear equation is a mathematical statement that shows a connection. That connection is called equality, a connection between two separate expression. You have an expression at the left hand side and another at the right hand side. So two expressions you have joined by a sign of equality. That is where that sign, you have two dash that just come this way, that sign comes in to give you what is called a linear equation. 2 plus x is an expression in mathematics. 1 plus 2 is an expression in mathematics. Now, I can now say 3x plus 2 is equal to y. That is a linear equation. On both sides of that sign of equality are two expressions. Now, one expression is equal to the other expression. Now, you have a mathematical statement. Simple! A linear equation is that equation that shows the equality of two expressions. That's it. Okay, so with that basic, simple definition, let's see what you need to note about a linear equation that will make you to be very good in solving any question that has to do with what? Linear equation. The golden rule is this. I will just tell you, it's just one rule. And you note this rule and you're going to be very, very good. This golden rule stipulates or says that as a mathematics student, whatever you do to the left-hand side of your equation, whatever you do, what I mean by whatever you do is whichever basic operation you employ, you use at the left-hand side of your equation, the same must be utilized at the right-hand side of your equation. In other words, if I say minus 2 at the left, I must say minus 2 at the other side. If you're dividing, you can divide by the same number on both sides. If you're adding, you can add with the same number on both sides. If you're subtracting, you can subtract with the same number on both sides. So whatever you're using, whatever basic operation you're doing on both sides of the equation, you must make sure it's the same thing you're doing. Don't subtract 2 from the left-hand side of your expression and then now subtracting by 4 on the right-hand side. It won't work that way. So you note this very simple rule and you're good to go in mathematics. And I tell you, you won't have any problem as a student solving mathematics. You'll be good.